Hey guys, this is Roto, and today I wanted to show you guys what the WeatherTech floor mats look like after almost like 2 years, more than 2 years of usage, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. So this is on the passenger side. Set it here. We're gonna clean it after. And then this one would be the rear passenger side. Pretty much no one sits like in the rear whenever I drive. It's just me and my wife right now, so don't have any kids, so a coupe is just fine. Still looks like they're still in good condition. The driver's side is the one that gets used the most. Almost like 3 years. Let me just move this a little bit because I know it's gonna hit. Alright. 1, 2 clicks. There we go. So let's take this out. Still looking and smelling like brand new. Look at that. Well, again, because there's no one using that, but driver's side, I'm gonna go ahead and open it, or take it out, not open it. I was reaching here, but that's not the case. These are power seats, so it takes quite some time. Alright, so you can see here it's being used during spring, summer, and fall. So looks like my neighbor is cleaning up or mowing his lawn, so that's pretty much the status of WeatherTech floor mats after 2 years. And you know, I do take care of them. I still haven't patched the hole on that side, so forgive me if it's still like an eyesore, but eventually I'll get to it. And I'll be able to find some time and fix it. Alright. And I usually just use water and a little bit of car shampoo to clean them up. So let's see, which one are we going to use today? Yep, I just used this one. And then this would be my scrubber. Chink, chink, chink. I don't have anything to use. Oh, I also used this one too. Oh, there you go, I found it. This is the one that I use the most. I don't need to use this anymore. And I know I don't have buckets and places to put them, but they're all coming. So let's see if they would still look brand new after scrubbing them. So what I do is just, oops, I pretty much take out most of the dirt. Is that an electric bike? Looks like that's an electric bike. There you go. Ooh, I think that's a lot. Might have poured a lot. Oh well. That should be enough. I'll start with the clean ones first. give them a good rub. Take a little bit of that. Use it here. And I guess I haven't used any, what do you call it, like chemical helpers that will help keep them like really dark, I guess. But like, they still look pretty good, you know. So I'll make sure I scrub all of it. This one really helps it. This is like a filter brush from my vacuum cleaner. Alright, that should be good enough. And this one too. Give them a good scrubbing. And the M2 is like super dirty right now, so I gotta clean it up too. But I'm gonna start with the interior. So let's see. Still looks brand new. And I usually just leave them to dry up there. This one too. There you go. Make sure they don't fall. And make sure that the sun, at the very least, kind of like bakes them. Ooh, what is that? Oh, that's just stone. Okay. Cool. So you can see here, still looks super good. Made in the USA. Let's see. That should work. And after that, this one. So let's see. Still looks good. Like, I would almost always suggest it to always buy like rubber floor mats for your car, and then they'd be like WeatherTech or something that looks like this, because it really protects your car, or at least the carpet in your car. So I'm gonna leave it at that, and that's it. Next stop, time to clean the M2, but that's gonna be later. All right, guys, thank you so much. Talk to you again later.